People, what's going on? Your boy Bob from Mentourme.com. People, the goal is to teach you wealth while living, how to make money, how to financially survive. Today, I'm going to focus on explaining to you guys the importance of believing in yourself. A lot of you have this thing where you're going to let people break your dreams. You're going to let people break your goals. You're going to let people put you in a position mentally to make you believe what you're doing don't make sense. At the end of the day, you got to believe in yourself. You got to know what you want, and it needs to be clear. I can't tell you how many times people told me what I was doing was dumb or what you're about to do don't make no sense. I wouldn't do that if I were you. You know, sometimes it's coming from a good place, but sometimes it's just coming from a level of jealousy. And you got to understand, as you start growing in life, you're going to have a lot of people that don't want to see you grow. You're going to have a lot of people that don't want to be your friends anymore. You're going to have a lot of people that all of a sudden may be your employee. That's just the reality. Now they work for you. Now they're asking you, hey, you know what? Can I do it too? Can you show me? But those are the same people that's telling you what you're doing don't make sense. The problem with life is you got to have what we call faith. And the reality is people don't believe in something until they see it's been proven. And it's sad to say that's just the reality of life. So when you have an epiphany in your mind and say, look, I got an idea. I think it can work. You first got to believe in yourself and understand you got to do whatever it takes to get to where you need to get to. Because if you're waiting for other people to validate you, understand this is not that world. A lot of friends that you guys call your friends, they don't really care about you. I'm telling you, it's the truth. People only like you when shit is going good and it benefits them. When things ain't going well and they see you struggling or you going through things, they're going to tell you, you know what, I told you so. People, those are the times they should tell you, you know what, man, if there's anything I can do to help you, I got you, man. That's not the world we live. Be smart about your life. Love yourself. Always believe in yourself and understand, man, if you want to be great, never stop understanding to be the best you. Be the best you every single day of life and continuously grow every day of life. That's my advice to a lot of you that's always putting yourself in positions where you're not growing or you're listening to other people's negative mindsets. People, if you want to be great, law of attraction, understand greatness exists. Be great, mentor me.